Hello, my name is Christy Arpit, and today I'm going to discuss about the experiment how to create menu, like working with menus for creating, add, edit, and delete menus. So this is the list layout. So we are creating a list view, and we are giving all the list, and then in menu.xml we'll give the sub list like sub menu, which are add, delete, and edit. Here we define the sub menu which we use, and this is the code of the program. So we import the libraries and we create a class, then we create a list. In the list we pass all the variables which we give in the menu, and we initialize the list of routes. Then we create a bundle variable, then we create an adapter, and we using array adapter we define a simple list items one, and we pass all the variables in this. So list view is set by, like, we will find the list view, and adapter view is set for that. Then we use menu inflator is used to like show the menu and pass the variables which we give in the menu. So menu inflator will get the my menu will pass my menu in the menu inflator, which will get it from my menu. Then we'll use boolean like to select yes or no. Then we use sketch. It will get item.get id is used to get the item like id where it is. Then case will add, like if case or if you want to add the item. And alert box will, using alert dialog.builder will create an alert box. In this, if you select a like a will new text will save in the ed. Then alert box will use to set a view id, and the alert box will set a message like do you want to add an item. If you press ok, it will go to alert box dot set positive button. Then the new item will be added, like the string f will be used to get the string that we enter. Then it will be using array adapter, it will add it to the list. If alert box again in negative, if you want to, if you give negative input like cancel, then it will don't change anything and it will show that it is cancelled. And if you want to delete the item, the array adapter view dot adapter converts no menu info, it will get the item which we selected. Then we'll get the index of the item which we want, and with the we'll from the list we'll remove it, remove with the using index. And our adapter will notify that data has changed to the array adapter, and it will update. And if we give a like negative response, like sorry, if you want to edit the menu, then I again will get the details about the menu which we selected using this adapter view dot adapt contact menu. Then we'll get the position of the menu which we selected. And again an alert box builder will be used. Alert box builder is used to give a alert box, like if you we want to edit or no. And if you want to edit, the new name should be edited, and ed is used to store the new context. Then set view is used to set it, and again edit box will message enter the new name. So we'll all give, if okay, then if we give like if we give positive input like okay, then the new name will be added to the previous name, like we'll get the text from string new name. Then fruits dot set position, like we'll get the position of the name we want to edit. Then in that place new name will be set, and array after will update and notify the like, data will be changed and notify data set change. And if you press negative, it will get cancelled, and this will be finished and it will break. And the like the list will be return, will return the original list if you won't cancel the previous list. So this is the experiment. I'll show the output. This will be the output of the program. This so this will there is a issue, please wait. The program is running. This is the list, and we can like click on this. We can delete, we can add, we can edit also. This is the output of the program. Thank you.